Look, everyone! It's my brand new tractor!
Huh?
Hi, everyone! I'm Polly the pilot, and I'm about to take this rainbow chopper for a spin.
Huh?
Oh no!
Okay.
Check out the brand new folding bicycle. Now watch as I take it for a spin.
Okay.
Ready, go!
Hello there! I'm your friendly neighborhood stadium safety duck. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a job to do.
Huh?
Start! Ready, go!
I'm the boss around here. Now scram!
Nani?
Okay.
Hi, everyone! I'm the Rainbow Rabbit, and this is my awesome scooter. Let's ride!
Ready, go!
Nani?
Okay.
Ready, go!
And here he is, the amazing garbage collector.
Let's go clean up the town!
Ready, go!
Huh?
Start! Ready, go!
Hey there! I'm a skateboarding squirrel, and I'm about to show you how to catch some serious air.
Huh?
Let's go!
Okay.
I'm the chicken, and I'm about to drive this dump truck. Let's go!
Huh?
Oh, no!
Okay.
Check out the new rescue helicopter. I'm your pilot, and we are clear for immediate takeoff.
it out. She runs on pure imagination, and just look at that vibrant exhaust.
Huh?
Okay, okay.
Hi there. Check out my brand new water truck. Hop in, let's deliver some water.
Okay, okay.
I'm your driver today. Let's get this show on the road.
Okay.
Howdy, folks! I'm the amazing Pinata Mule, and I'll be your driver today. Buckle up!
Okay.
Nani?
Okay.
Ready, go!
Introducing the future of trucking, the one and only Semi-Truck 2. Let's see it move.
Huh?
Ready, go!
Hello there! I'm your penguin driver, and this is the ambulance.
Huh? Nani?
Hello there. You might be wondering why I called you here today. Well, it's time to chip some wood.
Okay.
Ready, go!
Hi, everyone. I'm the Rainbow Racer Mouse, and check out my awesome moped. Watch me go!